like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out to think like them.
Hi guys. Hey, I'm here with, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm here with 3 Fabfitfun mystery bags. Now, you have to be a member of Fabfitfun to be able to get these. And I get them on subscribe and save, so I get them for $19. Which, if you don't get them on subscribe and save, you get them, I think it's $29. So it makes a big difference by the time you buy 3 of them. But anyway, I always like these because you always get your value, especially when your value is only $19. But I do like them. And I know some people like to see the numbers, and I usually show the first one and forget the rest. But there's the first one, and it's Mystery 009. So, there we go. Now, some of these come right off, and some of them don't, so I'm just going to cut them. Because if they come right off, they come right off, but sometimes they don't. Sometimes you end up tearing the whole bag, and you name it. Well, that didn't work. What the heck? I must have cut the wrong part. Well, there wasn't another one on the floor. There, we got it. Now that's this one. Okay. First thing I'm getting is made in China. Belt bag. I'm assuming it's a fanny pack. They now call them belt bags because nobody wants, nobody wants to bring recognition to their belly. And their butt. And here we go. Here's this one. And it has a zip in the front. And it has padding in it so it keeps its shape. And then, of course, this is your belt. And it can be adjusted. It can be adjusted to very skinny to very fat. I'll need it on very fat, thank you. But those are nice for going, to amusement parks or whatever. Zoos, which the kids asked me the other day if I wanted to go to the zoo. Well, yeah. And here's this rug. I had this rug before in a mystery bag. And I do believe I gave it to my mom. So, which would mean it's probably now at Daniel's. So now she can have a matching set. And they're nice rugs. They just don't go with my house. But they are nice rugs. So I will ask Haley if she wants it. Because I have a feeling that she's got the other one. Because they took a lot of stuff out of Mom's house because they were just getting a house. So we basically put it all in storage till they got their house. So they pretty much. And then we got, what is this? Apple seed cleansing oil. I don't know. I don't know. I'll put it right there. That right there. Probably one of these. Nope. Oh, that's one of those you just turn halfway. I don't smell nothing. But it says apple seed. It didn't say apple, so apple seeds may not have any smell. It smells fresh. Who knows? Okay. There we go. Now this one, here's the number on this one. And this is mystery number 10. So we'll figure this out. And I have a feeling I've got to do both of them, that's why. There we go. There we go. And this is Focusing Patch, Retinol, CSCA, Patch, Spot Care, and Soothe. Basically pimple patches, and Charlie just asked me for some of those. So I'll send those her way. Let's see what this is. This is short stories. And it says set of 4 bowls. And I'm not sure, but it may be the same as the bowls that I had picked in another one. Nope, it's a different set. It's a different set. And it's like this. And on the inside, it's like not glazed all over. Are they all the same color? Let's see if they're all the same color. Yeah, they're all the same. No, they got different patterns. They got different patterns. Yeah, this has got a different pattern than that one. See, this one has a different pattern. I think it's 2 of each. I think it's 2 of each. Damn it, come on. Yeah. Yeah, there are 2 of each. I just wanted to make sure. So I will give those to one of the kids. Who knows which one, but one of them. I got more than enough. And I just dropped a nail. Okay, then this is 11 by Venus. Who knows? Who knows what that is? I have no idea what this is. I have no idea what this is. Oh. Okay. It's a duffel bag. And then you can it's a duffel bag. Then you can always, like, if you're taking gifts or something, you can fold it in like this, and it'll go back in flat like this. Okay. And that's that one. The bowls of that and the plunger. Am I right? Am I right? Okay. Then I got this one. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yeah, that's right. That's right. I forgot about the patches in the rug. So that's right. So now we can do this one. Okay. Now these are luggage tags, and I already have a set just like them. So they will either go in my store or somewhere else. Then I have this. Okay. This is another fanny pack in a different color. So here's this. So we got 2 fanny packs. So we got a black one and a brown one. Oh, I see. There's also a zipper on the inside, which I didn't see. from the last one. So bear that in mind. But yeah, they both have that. Okay. And then we got Dr. B oil to foam cleanser, which I like Dr. B. The same thing as Dr. Brandt. It's the kind of their new ashwagandha extract, sunflower oil, and sunflower oil. Well, okay. You say so. Oh. Okay. Okay. I ain't got no water in here, but water makes it foam up. Okay. Let's see. What else did I have in that one? Should be 3 in each one. Did I lose something? Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Huh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So I got these 3. And I got this. And this. And the bowls. So that's 3. And I got this and this. And oh well, I know I got my money worth anyway, but I just am trying to see. I think I'm missing something. We'll see. We'll see. If I find it, you'll know it. And it could very well already be on here, and I just not know it. Well, anyway, that's my mystery bags. You know the routine. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. Help me. Help me. Hope people need that too. Bye.